Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix directions not available on iPhone maps. There are various steps. We will go process-wise process. Firstly, you need to open your settings. Now here, scroll down a bit. There you can see the option General. Tap over there. Here now you can see the option iPhone storage. You need to tap over there. Here now search for the maps. Now here you need to firstly offload the app. After you are done offloading, make sure to reinstall it again. Now at this general section, you can see the option language and region. You need to tap over there. Here you can see the option region. You need to tap over there. And make sure that you are currently choosing the location that you are staying, because sometimes this may be reason why your direction is not available on iPhone maps. So make sure you are choosing the region that you are staying at. And these are some of the steps on how to fix directions not available on iPhone maps. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.